I have made this video to assist skilltechaudio students in getting academic discounts. For the cost of Pro Tools Artist, you will have Pro Tools Studio annual subscription. Pro Tools now comes with loads of great content, now with native instruments, and of course the Pro Tools Inner Circle that has hundreds of dollars of free plugins and sound libraries. And via the Avid link, you can access Pro Tools Sonic Drop. Sonic Drop delivers free instruments, samples, and loops. It's excellent for sound design, beat making, and music production. Pro Tools remains the industry standard with quality production houses like Sounds Great Studio, ARN Dubai, OSN, MBC Middle East, Firdous Dubai, MNK Studios, for example, all using Pro Tools. For audio students, it makes good sense to get yourself a show reel together that can demonstrate your skills in radio jingles, sonic branding, IVRs, mixing and mastering, all these bread and butter jobs for the studio sound engineers. One more thing is that with your student discount, you can avail lots of savings on other plugins, such as FabFilter, Eventide, Ozone, Sound Toys. In fact, most plugin manufacturers offer student discounts, so that might be useful to you as well. Here's what we need. Pro Tools is the software. Avid Link is an app to access your Avid account. iLock is for authorizations, and your educational status will come from us. Let's get started. Step 1 is Avid account. Make an Avid account. No card details are needed for the first 30 days. Go to My Products, and you need to download Pro Tools Ultimate Trial. You can find it under My Products and download. Obviously install. You can use Pro Tools Ultimate free for 30 days. As you start your free trial, we'll send you a confirmation of your studies. We'll also send you a small body of text which you can email to Proxy ID, and they will send you a couple of discount codes. Before your trial ends, come back to the Avid site. We're going to get Pro Tools Studio, which is €289 for the cost of €99. Important notes. Change this fold down from individuals, go to students and teachers. Buy now, continue with buy now, then you'll be at the cart. No add-ons are needed. Go to checkout now, and here is your academic eligibility. Click Proceed to be redirected to Avid's academic eligibility partner, Proxy ID. Just wait here though. Do not press Start because you have a verification code. Come back to your email. Take the email address. It's just a one-time thing. Copy it. Paste into the email ID. Then come back. Get your verification code. Copy from the email they send. And paste. Submit. All of these boxes must be filled out. So Pro Tools has been paid for. The next step is iLock License Manager. The iLock is a special USB device that holds licenses for iLock-enabled software, such as Pro Tools. Although nowadays we don't need the physical iLock, we can use the iLock Cloud version. iLock will prompt you to activate Pro Tools. Just come back to My Products via your Avid account. Select now your Pro Tools Studio, activate and download. As you can see, Pro Tools is active and your renewal date next year, and that is done.